So this would be a little demonstration of Bunsen burner. We all have in the lab a Bunsen burner. Sometimes you use gas that is from the gas tub, and sometimes we use this compressed gas, which is in this gas container. We know that we work mostly with this flame here. This flame is just the most useful flame in the Bunsen burner. The flame that if you heat things and so on. But let me show you first what happens when we heat the test tube, which is just a very nice normal test tube, with this flame here. And I don't know if you noticed it on the camera, but the test tube is now full of elemental carbon from the butane gas that's in this gas container. And this flame is not the flame that we use. This is the flame which we find in candles. This is the deposition flame, which doesn't really oxidize. So if we want to use the Bunsen sterilize equipment, turn the metal back and get this much hotter blue invisible flame. Now this flame has two types of oxidation zones. The first zone is this zone. This is the zone which is not hot enough. The wire glows in two parts. As you see here, two parts. If you want to use the hottest part, you have to turn the wire directly into the oxidation zone, and you can see it glows red hot now. And if you have it too high in the flame is cooler. There's no effect as the oxidation zone. Now this flame has two cones. This cone here is the reduction cone. There's the gas reduced to carbon monoxide and hydrogen. And this zone here, the blue zone, which is invisible, mostly invisible, is the oxidation zone. And I'll show you what I can do with that now. So I take the test tube and hold it in the flame. As you notice, the test tube is almost clean. So if you don't use the Bunsen, you have to turn it on this flame, an invisible flame. Keep your long hair back, and if you notice, if you don't use the Bunsen, switch the gas off. As you see, the test tube is clean, and this is because the particles that are, the black particles, are carbon, and we burn that off. Thanks for watching.